Hey there, we're sitting here with Ted Thomas again, who is the authority on tax lien certificates and tax auctions and such, knows a lot about real estate and investing in it. We're talking about tax liens right now, Ted, and is this something you can do online? Can you purchase a tax lien online?
Oh, absolutely. Now, when I started, we had to go to the county, whatever county it was. So if you lived in Florida, you might have to go to Oklahoma and go to the county, or if you live in California, you went to Washington and so on. So you had to go to different states. Now, almost all states and all counties, this is all done at the county level, because the state makes the rules, and then the county, implements them. So property taxes are always owed at the county level. So these would be county taxes. And so you can go right to the county website. Now, there's over 3,000 counties in the United States. So all 3,000 counties, majority of them are online now. They've been coming online this last 10 years. And now they're getting sophisticated enough to actually do it online. So you can buy thousands of tax lien certificates. For example, take Cook County, Chicago. Years ago, I went to the auction. It took 35 days to have the auction because they had 100,000 tax certificates, and they had to get up and read it on a 3x5 card. They would read it. All right, now it's all online, so they can get it all done in 4 or 5 days online. You can just go online and buy tax lien certificates. You buy all you want.
So if I'm doing that, how exactly does it work? I mean, first of all, I have to find, I got to find the local, I've got to find their, obviously their website. Oh, and then is there a list of all that? And then how does it, just take me through step by step.
Okay, step by step. So every county is a separate entity. In other words, it's like its own corporation. So that county, when they have a tax lien, someone that doesn't pay, they post it on a website, say defaulted tax lien certificate. And they're just, every time someone doesn't pay, they put it on that website. So you can go to the website. And then once a year, or usually multiple times a year, I'm just reaching on my desk here. I'm just going to pick one up. Multiple times in the year, I'm just picking up a newspaper, which I'm going to show you in just a second. Multiple times a year, they'll publish it in the newspaper. So I'm holding up Jacksonville, Florida, and Jacksonville, Florida had 35,000 tax lien certificates. They put them all in the news. There's no pictures in here.
Wow,
there's 35,000 tax liens. That's just in Duval County. It's just one county. Okay, but there's going to be well over 1,500 counties. So you can call the county and buy this newspaper, or you can do it online, whichever way you want to do it. But they're going to publish that. Now,
when I'm online, well, so when I'm online and I'm shopping and I say I'm kind of interested, what exactly am I doing? Am I clicking on that, and what happens next? Just so people understand.
Okay. Well, what they're going to put online is they're going to put the property address. Now, I'm not talking 123 Main Street. They just use numbers 004-555-777. All right, that's a tax lien. All right, so now you type that number in, whoosh, all the information comes up on that property. Everything about it. Sometimes they have a picture of it. Sometimes they'll tell you how many bedrooms, how many baths. They'll tell you hard driveway, long driveway, short driveway, 2,000 square feet. Every piece of information on every property in the United States is public knowledge. I can look up anybody's property.
And then if I like that piece of property and I want it, I use a credit card. I mean, literally, what do I do then? I'm online.
Well, now that's amazing you said that, because they didn't do credit cards until just this past year. So now in many of the counties, now I'm not saying all, but keep in mind that we're talking about 3,000 plus counties. They all make their own rules. I don't make the rules. I'm just teaching you. All right. So you can ask them, can I buy it with a credit card? Yes. If you understand what a colonial house is, that's a big house. I bought them in 5 acres, big oak trees, big, huge house. I bought those with credit cards. I bought them with credit cards.
Wow.
Yes.
So in other words, if you want to, you could go shopping for a tax lien right now. Why go to eBay and find old dusty furniture or something? Go buy a tax lien. But actually, I'm sure there's more to it that you need to understand before you just jump in and buy something, right, Ted?
We're kind of oversimplifying.
Well, no, that's okay.
This newspaper up in front of my face. That one county, that's Tampa, Florida. That's over on the Gulf side of Florida. 40,000 certificates available at some of the auctions.
But
40,000 people didn't pay.
But I'll bet there's things you need to know about each of those properties. It's pretty important before you make that decision. And I know you have. We're going to be talking more about this, and you already have some videos on your website about some of the things you sort of need to think about. You don't just jump up and dig out your credit card, swipe it.
Well, you said it. You hit it right on the head. If you said to the woman, don't marry the guy unless you see him. Don't buy the tax lien certificate unless you see him.
Okay, that's a great piece of advice from Ted right here. So you want to head over right now to learn more. Head to tedthomas.com and plenty of videos. And again, everything's sort of broken up, nice little informational chunks. You can learn more. Head over there right now, and we'll see you there when you get there.